Ladies and gents, crypto traders, my name is Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy, and today I would like to put Polkadot as a crypto trade of the week. If you would like to take a look for more detailed information of coins and also other interesting articles, also in Dutch and also in English, and you can go to cryptoacademy.nl. And if I go to the Polkadot, which is also in the top 10, is ranked number 8, and it has a market cap of more or less 23.3 billion dollars, billion actually. And you see the longer term chart back in the early 20s last year. It has been trading around $5, and it zoomed higher to almost $50. So X10, but now it fell back the last couple of weeks ago. Polkadot fell back again very severely, and now it's recovering a little bit. And Polkadot is a kind of sharding protocol, which makes the cryptos a little bit more efficient. And on CoinMarket, you can read it yourself. It's open source sharding multi-chain protocol, which facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset types. And it's just not specialized to tokens, but also others, thereby making a wide range of blockchain interoperable with each other. And this interoperability seeks to establish a fully decentralized and private web controlled by its users and simplify the creation of new applications, institutions, and services. So the Polkadot protocol connects public and private chains, permissionless networks, oracles, and future technologies, allowing these independent blockchains to trustlessly share information and transactions through the Polkadot relay chain, which will be explained further down. And Polkadot's native DOT token serves three clear purposes: providing network governance and operations, and creating parachains by bonding. So Polkadot has 4 core components: relay chain, Polkadot heart, helping to create consensus, interoperability, and shared security across the network of different chains. Parachains, so independent chains that can have their own tokens and be optimized for specific use cases. And parathreads, similar to parachain but with flexibility and connectivity based on an economical pay-as-you-go model. And also it serves as a bridge, which allows parachains and parathreads to connect and communicate with external blockchains like Ethereum. Polkadot is not new, of course, in the market. It has been founded by the Web3 Foundation, which is a Swiss foundation founded to facilitate a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web as an open source project. And its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer, and Peter Chabon. If we stick to the chart again, then I would like to go to the chart on a daily basis, where also in which I also plotted actually the 4 moving averages. 4 moving averages. Shorter term is 8 and 21, and also the longer term is 34 and 55. These are not just numbers; these are Fibonacci levels or Fibonacci numbers. And as you can see, is that Polkadot is struggling a little bit in the doldrum area now, where it is more or less 26, 27 bucks to the upside and $13 to the downside. There's a broad trading range with slightly higher lows and also a higher peak in the last week, but it did not manage to come above the how do you say that, the breakout level to the downside. So we have to move to the downside. It's on the time frame. If I take the 4-hour chart, there you can see the very nice and consolidation pattern. I have to say it's not really convincing, but it's holding and standing firm. So I would like to go for the short term for a long trade, so a buy trade with a target of $10 at least. So it's 24 to 34, 35, and with a very tight stop loss that will be around 22. So it's 5. So it's a 2-by-1 reward risk ratio. So in my opinion, Polkadot, keep an eye very strong on this coin. I think for the shorter term and also for the longer term, it's a very nice buying opportunity. In full disclosure, we are already long in the market with some crypto portfolios. So that's what I would like to point out. I would also not rule out the possibility that Polkadot will zoom higher towards 50. That means 100% increase. But it's a little bit wishful thinking in my opinion. So I would like to stick to the first target, 34, 35 area. And I hope that you find this very useful information to diversify your portfolio as well amongst different coins. So Polkadot is my coin of the week, crypto trade of the week. If you want to get more information, go to cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista. Bye.